Christopher Dasigos sent us an email and asked for help regarding the property that they wish to buy through a loan from Pag-ibig. According to Christopher, the seller of the property has no money to process the transfer of title of the property from his deceased parents to him. Hence, they agreed that Christopher, as buyer, will be the one to shoulder the expenses on the condition that it will be deducted from the purchase price. This also depends on the approval of Pag-ibig of their loan application. One of Pag-ibig's conditions for the grant of a loan is to submit a clean title of the property. Christopher claimed that he already paid for the estate tax, document stamp tax, capital gains tax. All of the amount that they paid for were just loaned by Christopher. According to him, to get a certificate authorizing registration or CAR from the BIR so he can facilitate the transfer of title to the seller's name. He was surprised to find out that they still need to pay for donor's tax amounting to 100,000 pesos. He doesn't know where else to get the amount when he already spent 110,000 pesos for the other taxes and fees. Christopher is now worried as all his efforts might be for naught. He is asking for advice on how he can get the CAR without paying for donor's tax. Christopher, the first thing that you ought to do is to clarify from the seller how the property was transferred to him. This is important for you to determine the proper taxes to be paid in the BIR so that you will be issued a CIR or CAR. If the land is titled in his deceased parent's name, ask him if he has a notarized extrajudicial settlement, and you have to pay for the estate tax payment. From your story, you already paid for estate tax. If the estate tax has already been paid, I'm wondering why is there a need for you to pay the donor's tax? This is one of the most important things you need to clarify from your seller. Was the property donated or of his inheritance? Proceed to the nearest BIR branch office and ask them to help you clarify this matter. CAR will be issued the moment the correct documents are submitted to the BIR. Please be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the details you have provided us. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Thank you for your trust in People's Television. Do email us at ptv4newscenter and at gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.